What are you doing, Teresa?
I'm taking care of my worm bed. I get compost tea out of this. It has a drain down here in the far end, and I put water in it. I put worms, little red wigglers in every now and then. I have some scraps that are coming up, some potatoes that I didn't get in the ground quick enough. Worms need moisture. The water will go down, take care of the worms. The worms will continue to eat whatever organic vegetable scraps we put in it. Then it'll go down through and come out a spigot that's in the bottom of this right here, down into that tub. Now I have the 3 additional tubs because I found out the way this is slanted, this lid will often put a lot of water out here. So that way I have water, rainwater out here that all I have to do is just add back in. But now this one, when it comes out compost tea, that is something that is fantastic for your plants. So you have to take care of it to keep it going.
So you're watering it.
Yes. I'm adding moisture to keep the and every so often you have to put compost manure in here as well, and worms. But if you keep it a good, healthy environment for the worms have worm castings in here, and then you put water in and it seeps through that ground and that compost manure, and then you come out with compost tea. It's the old name that they call it. It's compost tea.
So it must be brown looking.
Yes, it looks very dirty and nasty. It does not stink, but it looks very dirty and nasty.
And it's good for what?
It's a fertilizer. It is fabulous on your vegetables. So Neil came up with this tank somewhere. Somebody had it and they were going to get rid of it, and he picked it up.
A pastor friend of mine in the neighboring community had it. He gave it to me.
So ever so often we add compost to it, and we add some worms, and it keeps it going. And we add our vegetable scraps, you know, pieces of potato, any kind of organic veggies that are off the table that we didn't eat. We don't add eggs. We don't add any kind of meat. It's just vegetables that the worms will benefit from. So Neil fixed up this neat little lid, and that keeps raccoons and stuff like that out of it. And as I said, the slant, rain comes down and goes in the bucket, so that way I don't have to haul as much. But we have not had rain. It rained and rained and rained and rained, and then it quit. And so far, we have not had any in several days, so I'm having to haul water. So that is the basics on a worm bed. Thanks for coming along with us at Returning to Basics. As we go down this path on this adventure of retirement years and trying to be more self-sufficient, trying to grow our own food and enjoying it as we go. I'm finding it more and more enjoyable to watch my own seeds grow, and maybe you will too. So if you like, then please go down and click the like button. Subscribe. If you have a comment, if you've gone down this path and you have some insights, I would sure like to know them, because as I said, this is a new adventure for us, and we would really enjoy learning from each other. And if you hit the bell, then anytime we post anything new, then you'll get notification. Bug in the mouth. We're out under the big shade tree, and the sun's starting to go down and some mosquitoes and bugs are coming up. So God bless. Thanks for coming along with us today. Bye.